Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and look at this, another iPhone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro, and I want to bring you my unboxing and first impressions of this iPhone 12 Pro here on the channel. Now you may be wondering, but Frankie Tech, I thought you bought the iPhone 12, I thought that was it. Well, this is not my phone guys, this is my wife's phone. She will be using this iPhone 12 Pro, and considering she's moving up from an iPhone 11, it's going to be a big upgrade indeed. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Now here you see the version that she got, 128 gigs in gold, and I'm really excited to check out this stunning gold color here on the channel. So let's go ahead and open this up now. And the same incredibly thin box here on the iPhone 12 Pro, obviously made possible by not having a charger. And lifting the lid, here we go. And there it is, upon first impression, wow. That makes a really good first impression. A stunning, stunning initial look here. But let's set this phone aside and I'll show you what's inside the box. We have the Lightning to USB-C charging cable, and then we have our SIM ejector tool, the paperwork, and the Apple sticker, just like the iPhone 12 yesterday. No big difference here, and it's really making the unboxing experience of these iPhones very basic. And now finally, my hands-on with this iPhone 12 Pro. Holy crap! This gold is gold. This is like blinging gold. This is incredible. Wow. More stunning than any of the other gold iPhones that I have ever seen. Now taking off the display cover. Ooh, that felt good. Go ahead and turn this on for the first time. There it is. And welcome to OLED, baby. Welcome to OLED. So I'm going to quickly set this phone up, and then what I want to do is actually compare this phone not only to the iPhone 12 in terms of design, but to some of the other ultra flagship phones that I have. Alright, and here we are now on the home screen of the iPhone 12 Pro, and one thing I want to do immediately is check out these wallpapers, these 12 Pro wallpapers, and there you see them. I'm going to go ahead and set to both. Now when we turn on the display, that is what greets us, a really cool live wallpaper. And now in terms of the specs, this phone is going to be very similar to this iPhone 12 that I just purchased yesterday. Here you see the finishes on the back though, a very different look here with this blue iPhone 12, which I'm not going to lie guys, the blue is a lot deeper than I initially kind of thought it would be. In certain lighting, it almost looks black. Meanwhile, I think this gold guys may be my new favorite iPhone 12 or 12 Pro color. It's just absolutely stunning, and it's got this gorgeous kind of cream look, but the gold is so pronounced. It is so amazing. I think I'm loving this look already more than this iPhone 12. But on the front, these phones are pretty much identical with the same 6.1-inch OLED display, and so you're not really missing out on anything here getting the 12 versus the 12 Pro. Same performance as well, Apple A14 Bionic, but the Pros do have 6 gigs of RAM versus the 4 gigs on the iPhone 12. Should be the same dual speaker setup on both of these phones, but the cameras is where you're going to see the biggest difference here. Dual camera setup versus triple cameras on the iPhone 12 Pro, including that improved 2x optical telephoto, and you see there's the LiDAR scanner on this iPhone 12 Pro. But beyond just comparing it here to the iPhone 12, I also thought it would be fun to compare to the only other gold device you could say I have in my possession, more of a bronze really. Here is the Galaxy Z Fold 2, and you can tell both of these phones with a matte finish on the back are just absolutely stunning colors. I really do like this Z Fold 2 in this Mystic Bronze, but I gotta say guys, I think the gold on the iPhone 12 Pro takes the cake. Now you can see it's a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but apparently this finish isn't nearly as bad as the graphite or the kind of blue finishes, which do show a lot of fingerprints. And here you see the size difference of the Z Fold 2 next to the iPhone 12 Pro. It's a much larger display obviously, but in terms of height they're actually very similar devices. And the last device I wanted to compare here, this 12 Pro to, is the Mi 10 Ultra. Now this Xiaomi phone represents basically the pinnacle of both Xiaomi's flagship phones and design, I would say. And both of these phones do have a really stunning kind of metallic finish. But you see, look at the size difference between the 12 Pro and the Mi 10 Ultra. Large camera module on the back of this phone. And this ceramic back, while gorgeous, is definitely a fingerprint magnet. And I really do prefer the fact that iPhone has gone for a matte finish here on their 12 Pro series. And so that's it guys, just a quick unboxing and first look here of the iPhone 12 Pro. Now this is my wife's phone, so I'm going to clean this thing up and I want her to have the unboxing experience herself as well. Thanks once again to my wifey for letting me feature her phone here on the channel. I will be of course using the iPhone 12 for a lot of my testing this month, but if you did want to see any specific videos related to the iPhone 12 Pro, do let me know. I'll be happy also to include some coverage for this iPhone 12 Pro here on Frankie Tech. But that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. Just stunning gold, guys. Absolutely stunning. Time to clean this phone up and give it back. I think she's going to love it. But that's it for this one. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Gosh, I kind of want this phone now.